In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. To get started, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want to build your chart. This is important because your Gantt view will be created inside the area where your project tasks already live. Once you're in the right workspace, navigate to the specific space, folder or list that contains the tasks you want to include. Choosing the correct location from the beginning will make the setup much smoother. At the top of the page, click the plus sign for View, then select Gantt from the available view options. This adds a timeline-based layout for your project, making it easier to see task duration, overlaps and scheduling at a glance. After that, enter a name for the view, something clear like Project Gantt Chart, and save it so you can return to it anytime. Next, make sure your tasks have both a start date and a due date. Open each task and add those dates as needed. These dates control where the task appears on the Gantt timeline, so if a task doesn't show up correctly, this is one of the first things to check. Once your tasks are dated, open the Gantt view and look at the task list on the left side. From there, you can schedule tasks directly on the chart. Click and drag across the timeline to set a task's date range, or drag the ends of an existing taskbar to adjust the start or due date. This visual method is especially useful when you want to quickly rearrange a project plan. If the timeline feels too zoomed in or too broad, use the controls at the top of the Gantt view to change the timescale. You can switch between day, week, month, quarter, or year, depending on the level of detail you need. This makes it easier to review both short-term work and long-term planning. To add a task dependency, open the task you want to update. In the task window, find the Dependencies section and click Add Dependencies. Then search for the task you want to connect and select it. This helps to find the order of work and keeps your timeline more realistic. If you want to highlight an important checkpoint, open the task and change its task type to Milestone. On the Gantt chart, it will appear as a diamond, making key moments in the project easy to spot. To adjust how the chart looks, click Customize in the upper right corner of the Gantt view. Open the layout options and choose the settings that fit your needs. Finally, review the full timeline to confirm that all tasks, dates, dependencies and milestones are correct. Thanks for watching.